Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you trying to log into your employee self-service account? No problem. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to an employee self-service account. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to your company's ESS portal. The link is usually provided by your HR team or found in your onboarding emails. Step 2. Enter your user name and employee ID and your password in the respective fields. These credentials are typically provided when your account is set up. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset it, usually via an email or text verification. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email. Finally, click Login and you are in. From here, you can view your payslips, request leave, or update personal details. And there you go. Logging into your ESS account is quick and easy. If you encounter any issues, contact your HR or IT support team. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share this video.